This is Aussie dollar monthly chart. For the monthly chart, last month we have this candle, and it's a little bit weak with this pair. And from monthly chart, you can see this really downtrend, and from here as well. Um, but it has potential coming back a little bit, like this, coming back here a little bit. But from my point of view, that it's look really weak. So I don't think it's gonna come up. I think it's continue the downtrend to the very low end, like from next week to maybe 69 something. So from daily chart in last week, we have a look this point 71, 71, and I think Monday or something like that. Because from 4 hours, you can see 4 hours is uptrend here until this point is breakdown, and 2 hours is go down and consolidation here, and next Monday maybe a little bit up to 71, and then sell. So next week we wait for 71, maybe touch a little bit. You just touch, and we can sell. Or if going up like 20, 70, 120, maybe a little bit more. Yep, I'm still looking for sell. So for Aussie dollar, I'm still looking for sell from daily chart. You can see daily chart. If break down 70, 60 here, yeah, 70, 60, then we go down to 70. So looking for 70 first, from 71 to 70. Um, Probably a couple of days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe next week. Maybe next week, the week, the whole week, we're down to 70. So we can sell Aussie dollar from next week, maybe Monday or Tuesday.